Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make this pretty heart ornament. For this I am using a pink yarn, some white yarn, crochet hook 4mm and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. We begin with the magic circle. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now into the magic circle we need to make 3 triple crochets. That's 1, 2, and 3. Now we need to make 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2, and 3. Now after this you chain 1 and then we need to make 1 triple crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and then 3 triple crochets. One, 2, and 3. Then you chain 3, 2, 3, slip stitch into the center. Now once you've done that, you pull your loop of the magic ring and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you need to start working in each stitch. So that's 1 single crochet in each stitch. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now when you reach the center, you work 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and then you continue working single crochets in all the stitches that you have. Now after you worked your last stitch, you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you slip stitch into the center. Now we have our last row. For that you chain 3 again, 3, and we repeat the same pattern, that is 1 single crochet in all the stitches, four, 5, 6, 7. Now once you reach the center stitch, that's 1 single crochet, chain 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and then you single crochet in all the stitches that you have. Now after your last stitch, you chain 3 and slip stitch in the center. Now you chain 1 and cut your yarn, and you need to pull the loop of your magic ring to get the shape of your heart. Now we need to take the white yarn and insert the hook in one of the rows of your heart, and do the same on the other side. Now pull up your yarn and then tie a knot. I'm going ahead and tying 2 knots. Then we finish with a small bow. Now once you have your bow, you cut your yarn approximately the size that you want. And we finished with the heart ornament. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.